All right, excited about this next topic. It is bone broth. Come in here to get this from Miss Meg, our dietitian, and learn more about it. Bone broth is a very important product, a vital key to what we do in getting nutrients that Lander needs, we all need, in an easy way. It brings together agriculture, all of the practices of cooking with the ability to highlight some of our chef friends, get to see that too, and just learn. It's easy and it has unbelievably positive health benefits. Let's go show Meg.
All right, so I got this yummy bone broth from Middle Matters, and a lot of hard work and a lot of time and love go into making this. So I'd love to use this, but there's also some other options that we'll talk about. So let me put this aside and show you a quicker way to do bone broth is just to get it frozen. And we have lots of options here. You can see it comes frozen in a little pouch, so you would need to thaw it out before you use it. And how we're going to use it today is we're going to just use a quick little soup. Now the benefits of bone broth, guys, it's really a game changer. So lots of studies have been coming out and about finding out how important gut health is to everything. In fact, they've just linked it to what's going on with Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease, that it all starts in the gut. So if you don't have a healthy gut, everything is going to start to go awry. So the big thing about gut health is sometimes with stress or toxins, and that could be unhealthy foods, processed foods, or just like toxins of using non-organic, produce, chemicals in the air, products that we put on our body. All of that can start to really agitate the gut. And the gut lining kind of looks like a brick and mortar. It's stacked brick by brick. But with that stress and over time with chemicals and toxins, the lining of it starts to crack. And what happens is when we're eating things that we want to pass through the lining, to get absorbed, like those minerals and vitamins, what happens is that they'll actually slip down and through the crack. So you're not going to get those things absorbed. Hence why sometimes we just need some extra supplements and stuff. But you have to make sure that the lining and the brick and mortar gets fixed. One way to do that is by drinking and using bone broth. At least 2 to 4 cups a day is a great way to kind of help lubricate and help the lining of your gut become more strong. Very important. The other things, when those things start to seep through, your body wants to attack those things, even if it's good, and that causes the inflammation, and it causes a lot of autoimmune problems. So having that strong gut integrity is huge. So how you can implement, bone broth is to make a really quick little soup. Right now, I already have some aromatics, so we've got some fresh ginger and some garlic in this yummy grass-fed Amish butter. We want everything to come from real whole sources. So 100% grass-fed, grass-finished butter, and also from the bone broth. You want, free-range, non-antibiotic, non-hormone chickens. So what we'll do first is we're gonna use a little bit of like a bone noodle soup. So we're just I have this zucchini, and we'll just kind of chop this up. So you can see we'll have little noodles. And we'll just kind of add that in here. And this gives it a lot of good fiber, some extra vitamins and minerals. We'll take these beautiful carrots and just kind of shave them in so they'll be really thin and cook quickly. And since we eat with our eyes, that's one of my big things. Let's add some of the purple carrot in. Beautiful color. And then we'll add some of our herbs, which I always like to use rosemary and thyme, and I have some here. You can just kind of sprinkle that in. And since this is going to be really quick, we'll just add our bone broth. It's already been thawed. And it's really thick, kind of like gelatin, and that's exactly what it is. It's that gelatin that helps that lubrication. And our bodies need that from our joints to our skin, for our hair, our nails, but especially all on the inside as well. We just don't think about those things needing that type of stuff because you don't really get to see it. We don't get to look on the inside, but it's huge. And so it kind of goes in like Jell-O, but it melts down and it turns into that yummy, delicious, smooth little broth. So we'll kind of bring that to a boil. And once that's ready, we'll just pour it in a glass and you can sip on it. You can actually use this as a base if you want to make a different type of soup. Totally fine. But this is a good, quick, nutritious, filling, soothing soup, all thanks to the yummy benefits of bone broth. Hope you guys enjoy.
All right, I think Meg gave us a lot of great information as usual. The bone broth is it's really cool. I think you know that it's real when it starts cooling a little bit and it gets this little gelatin layer over the top. I think we know that that's the real deal. Something that I use on about everything that is poultry and fish is our Yardbird. The sugar-free seasoning that we had made. This is a big deal, guys, and it's easy to miss, but the meat is all in the freezers. The bone broth's in there with the meat, and we're trying to bring together products that are gonna just improve lives. So, thanks.